Hello everyone and welcome back to the latest installment of our vlog. Today, we are outside of my first rental property ever. Out of all the homes I've bought and all the homes we've built and flipped, this is the first one where I was able to actually keep it for myself and fully renovate it to pinnacle standards. And today, I'm gonna take you inside and show you exactly what a gut renovation is supposed to look like. If you wanna build something to last, you have to strip it back down to the original plywood, repair any leaks, any water damage, any termite damage, any mold damage, and we did all of that. Brand new Anderson windows, CertainTeed siding, GAF roof, and everything you've come to expect from a pinnacle build. Brand new masonry, sprinklers coming in the spring. We've completely landscaped and cleared this property, and over the next few weeks, we're gonna get this home ready for our very first tenant. As soon as you walk in this front door, you can see that no stone was left unturned. We've got a coat closet as soon as you walk in the front door, and this is very much a center hall kind of vibe with this staircase going up to the second floor. Right now, we're standing in the formal living room, lots of natural light. Take a look closely at this old wood. You just can't buy wood like this anymore. Even these oak floors, no creaks, no squeaks anywhere. We made sure to eliminate all of that. Brand new HVAC, brand new plumbing, air seal, and wait till I take you upstairs and show you all the spray foam. Now follow me right past the stairway. This is gonna be our formal dining room. I could have gotten away with one zone of central air, but I did two. So this is gonna be our first return grill, where it's gonna be a filter and a cover. This is our formal dining room. Again, double egress window, lots of natural light. Everybody wants a bedroom on the first floor. So we've got a nice big bedroom here. The sun is setting, but you can see there's still a fair amount of light coming in, two big closets, and if you have the bedroom on the first floor, you've gotta have the full bath. So right through this hallway here, we've got a full bath, another bedroom, and this big open concept kitchen and family room. Because we made the driveway from the side, this is a little bit of a busy road. We know that this door is gonna be used kind of like the front door, and that door is kind of just gonna be for guests. So we made sure to kind of split up this space between the kitchen and the family room. We're gonna have a big 6 or 7 foot island right here with L-shaped cabinetry wrapping all the way around. And just take a quick moment, come over here for a second. Take a look at the spray foam in the box ends. Take a look at all the clean electric. Not one staple, not one nail, not one wire, not one pipe was left from the old house. The window is gonna be the center of the kitchen sink. The fridge is gonna go in the corner. And this is actually this is basically new construction standards in terms of the size of the room. We're gonna have the family room here, pre-wired for TV and internet, of course, as always. And this was that last bedroom that I mentioned. In total, we have 5 bedrooms. So if you did have mom or dad living with you, but you also needed a work from home space, this could be a great office or a secondary bedroom. Now let's go upstairs where we have 3 more bedrooms and 2 full baths, as well as the much coveted second floor laundry. If you haven't already done so, please just take a moment. We made a very detailed video tour of how we subdivided this property, kept the existing home, and are building a brand new home behind this. But if you take a moment and watch that video, you'll see exactly what this second floor looked like, and the whole property actually, before we started. This wide hallway, these nice sized bedrooms, it didn't look like this. So we took permit for an interior alteration, and you can see now the vision kind of coming together. We've got a nice sized bedroom over here. And this entire attic has been spray foamed. So there's no pipes freezing, there's no crazy electric bills in the summer, there's no crazy heating bills in the winter. This place is gonna stay toasty in the winter, cool in the summer, and every single bit, once again, has been addressed. Electric, HVAC, plumbing, exhaust fans, it's all been done the right way. R15 in the walls, R30 spray foam in the ceilings. And we've got this really nice wide hallway. A lot of older homes have these very narrow corridors. It feels nice, it feels open. When we made this hallway, this bedroom suffered, obviously, because we took a big chunk out of it. So we did this little dormer here, brings lots of natural light and makes this feel like a more usable room. And with all this light and with this cathedral ceiling right here, the room appears to be even bigger than it actually is. Now, the big pet peeve of a lot of people, whether it's your own home or a rental, is going all the way down to the basement for laundry. We eliminated that problem. We did a brand new laundry. It's quite a big space. We're gonna do double doors here. And I don't wanna hear about your washing machine breaking. I don't wanna hear about leaking. I don't want this house to flood and have a giant insurance claim. So we did an emergency drain in the floor. If the laundry, the washing machine ever failed and it leaked out, this would go straight out to the outside via an emergency drain. This was inspected, all done the right way. We did a dryer box, hard piped, recessed dryer vent. This is our condensate trap, which is gonna bring the condensating furnace's water down and bring it out of the house. Actually, our inspector said that we have to change this and put an air admittance valve, so we're gonna add one of those in. We got our washer box, and if you notice, all the water lines are totally insulated. This is gonna get mudded and tiled and pitched to that drain right there, so you'll never have any issues if the washing machine ever does fail. And now, welcome to our primary suite. Homes of this age did not have primary suites that looked like this, but we wanted to make sure that whoever our tenant is gonna love to be here and wants to maximize the amount of time that they spend here. And look at the size of this room. We've got storage underneath where we spray foamed all the way to the bottom, so those cubbies are not gonna be too hot. We've got a very decent sized closet right here and a proper primary bath with a double sink. Just take a moment, listen around. You're not gonna hear any creaking as we walk around this floor. Everything was done solid, brand new electric, brand new plumbing. Did a big walk-in shower. I'm gonna build a little niche right there. We've got an outlet for your toilet in case you wanted a heated toilet seat or bidet setup, double vanity. Just think for a second, is there any box not checked here that you've come to expect from our Pinnacle builds? And the answer is no, because we matched everything up, old with new. And you can even see right here where we meshed the old floors with the new. And when these are sanded and stained, you'll never know where the old floors finished and the new floor started. And that's the whole idea of weaving the old floors together. Now let's go downstairs where I can show you all the new mechanicals that we did. Before things get pretty, they're messy first. And the first and second floor are spotless, but that means that while we wait for sheetrock and everything to be finished upstairs, we're using this area for some storage. This is gonna remain a semi-finished space, so our tenants will be able to store things down here, but we really don't want this to be a finished basement. So what we did was we dry locked the walls. We're storing some material here in the meantime, but I just wanna show you some of the mechanicals. This was a really shoddy water setup. We had Plainview Water come and give us a brand new meter. You have the RPZ, the sprinkler, the drain. Everything is set up the right way. We have our ground wire grounded to the electric panel. Brand new waistline going through the entire house and out to the street. I don't want to hear nothing about leaks, about backups. It was done the right way. All 4-inch brand new waistline. We've got our second zone down here supplying the forced air heat and the air conditioning to the first floor. It's a brand new furnace. We got the condensate drain set up, going properly to a check valve, air admittance valve. That's our condensate pump, the neutralizer. It's covered right now with the spray foam, with the plastic for the spray foam, guys. But we've got all our low voltage wiring. I'm gonna do cameras, TV, internet, brand new electric. We did outlets throughout the basement, lights throughout the basement. Because even though this is not gonna be a finished basement, it's gonna be spotless. We're gonna sheetrock the ceiling. There's even a Bilco door going to the outside. So in the future, if we decided to finish this basement, it's over 1,000 square feet of space that could be made to look just like it is upstairs. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of work to do here, but we like to bring you during the middle of the journey because it's very easy to show you the beginning and show you the end. But the middle is where you get to see the quality of the work that happens behind the walls. Now, if you follow me this way, you'll see we have a beautiful patio set up here. We're gonna do some railings. We gotta touch up the siding around the stoop, of course, change some basement windows. But look at how nicely clean and graded this property is. It's fully fenced. We're gonna put a gate from that side. So whoever lives here is gonna have the privacy of a backyard and not really be affected by the busy road. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I can't wait to bring you back when this home is complete and that brand new home comes out of the ground over the next couple of weeks. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. We're gonna be sharing the entire process of the build next door, as well as the completion phases over here. And if you need some daily updates, at Pinnacle Real Estate, that's my Instagram page. We put content like this out every single day. Thank you so much once again. Have a great day, everyone.